Ricky. Hi guys, it's me Tegan. And today we are going to God's Spirit Farm in Anaheim.
I just dropped him home.
We are on the freeway. And yeah, wait. Yeah,
it's
so
3:35. That's too long.
Any words? No. But we will time in once we're over there.
She said you can maybe go to January to other school in second over
We'll see you guys when we're at the park. Guys, we're at the booth. Hi guys. Out the booth. There's a booth right here, but that's where we get checked in. Yeah. And there's mommy sneaking in.
What's that? Just when I get mad, I get ugly! Oh, you must be mad all the time. He told you ugly! Hey! Come here, you! Grab me! Stop chasing off! Try to keep going! See you later! Head up! Alright, that's one to Elmo, 0 to the ugly guy. Woo! Come on now! Little bit further, there we go. Get off now! Okay, now wait a minute, Rick. You're not mad about that ugly thing, are you? Wow, you're strong. Yeah! I was talking about your odor. Hey! My odor's good! This old spice. Smell it! I use this as beer spice. Hey, watch out, watch out. Oh, what are you doing? What's it look like I'm doing? Tying you up? Tying you up with knots? That's right. Oh, yeah, well, joke's on you. I love knots. I don't get it.
We've been to a lot of rides.
Yeah. Ooh, we're gonna go to Pony Express now.
Which one? Yeah.
This one was another water one. Do you see them?
Yeah, I'm not going into the water stuff.
Never mind.
We have that one at SeaWorld.
So yeah, we've been on a bunch of rides. We'll see you guys in the car or when we're about to leave. We're going back to the car. Hi, it's me, Ricky, and Tegan's sleeping, and we all just crashed when we got in the car, so we couldn't vlog. Sorry. I'll see you guys later. Peace. Tegan's sleeping.